Hi there, this is Jerry Coates at Rigetti High School, and this is a Canvas tutorial on how to customize your course navigation. One of the things about Canvas is that you can customize how your students interact with your course. So I have two examples here for you for home pages. This is my teacher course, and right here you can see that my course navigation menu only has 2 items. Those are the only 2 places I need teachers to click on when they're looking for information. Here's another one. This is just an empty course that I have where I practice making assignments and things. But you can see the course navigation menu is very different. It has lots of items. I can push this one into student view as well, and it will get a little bit shorter. And you can see the difference here. If I exit student view, you have some items that are in light gray. As the teacher, you can click on these items, but the students won't be able to see them. But you can customize which items you want students to see here. So in order to do that, we're going to click on the settings, and we are going to go to the navigation. So everything in this section can be changed. These are the 4 items that were in gray before, and so I can drag items down below this line. Anything that you're not using or you don't know why it's there, if it's something you don't want your students to see, so you may want to take your file cabinet and put it down there, the chat. You can customize whichever items. These ones will be visible, these ones won't be, and then make sure you hit save. And now we can test it out and go back to the student view and see what this looks like to students. So it's a little bit of a cleaner navigation menus to help keep students going where you want them to go. If you have any questions, just give me a call. One thing, do remember you have to hit save when you move items above and below that line. So let me show you that one more time. So in navigation, you have to move items up or down, but make sure you click save down here at the very bottom of the page for your changes to be permanent. And you can always come back and change them if it doesn't do exactly what you think it should. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call or send me an email. Have a great day.